Are you addicted to sugar and looking for a way to break free from its hold on you? Have you been feeling tired, sluggish, and unable to focus on the things that matter most? Well, I'm here to tell you that there's a way to take back control of your health and transform your relationship with food. In this video, I'm going to share with you my experience of quitting sugar for 30 days and what happened along the way. From the ups and downs of sugar withdrawal to the amazing health benefits that I experienced, I'm going to take you on a journey that will inspire you to start your own sugar-free journey. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting adventure into the world of sugar-free living. Day 1. You wake up feeling determined and excited about your decision to quit sugar. You enjoy a breakfast of scrambled eggs, avocado, and whole grain toast. The lack of sugar in your breakfast makes you feel satisfied but not overly full, and you notice that you have more energy than usual. As the day progresses, you start to feel some cravings for sugar, but you distract yourself by going for a walk or calling a friend. By the end of the day, you're feeling proud of yourself for making it through your first day without any sugar. Day 2. You wake up feeling a bit groggy, but after a cup of coffee and a healthy breakfast, you start to feel more alert. You notice that you're not feeling as bloated as usual and that your skin looks clearer. You still have some cravings for sugar, but you're able to resist them by snacking on some nuts or having a piece of fruit instead. You start to feel more confident in your ability to stick to your sugar-free plan. Day 3. You wake up feeling refreshed and energetic. You notice that you're not feeling as irritable as you usually do in the morning. Your breakfast of Greek yogurt and berries is delicious and satisfying, and you're starting to enjoy the natural sweetness of foods. You feel less tempted by sugary treats and start to appreciate the taste of savory foods more. You're starting to feel like quitting sugar was the best decision you've made in a long time. Day 4. You wake up feeling great and ready to tackle the day. You're not feeling as hungry as usual and you're starting to notice that your taste buds are changing. Foods that used to taste bland or unappetizing are now more flavorful and enjoyable. You're also feeling more motivated to exercise and take care of yourself. You enjoy a dinner of grilled chicken and roasted vegetables, and you're amazed at how delicious and satisfying it is without any added sugar. Day 5. You wake up feeling proud of yourself for making it through the first week of your sugar-free journey. You're starting to feel more confident in your ability to resist temptation and make healthier choices. You notice that your energy levels are more stable and you're not experiencing the sugar crashes that used to leave you feeling tired and sluggish. You're also feeling more in control of your cravings and are starting to enjoy the taste of natural, whole foods more. Day 6 to 10. You continue to feel great and are starting to feel like quitting sugar is becoming a habit. You're enjoying experimenting with new recipes and trying out different foods that you might not have tried before. You're also feeling more creative in the kitchen and are finding ways to satisfy your sweet tooth without resorting to sugar. You're feeling more in tune with your body and are noticing the positive changes in your mood, energy levels, and overall health. Day 11 to 20. You're now in the second half of your sugar-free month and are feeling confident and empowered. You're enjoying the natural sweetness of foods and are finding that you don't need sugar to feel satisfied. You're feeling more adventurous with your food choices and are trying new things that you might not have tried before. You're also noticing that your skin looks brighter and clearer, and you're feeling more alert and focused throughout the day. Day 21 to 30. As you near the end of your sugar-free month, you're feeling amazing. You've made it through the toughest part of the journey and are now reaping the rewards. You've lost a few pounds, your skin is glowing, and you're feeling more energized than ever. You're no longer experiencing the sugar crashes that used to leave you feeling tired and cranky. You're feeling proud of yourself for sticking to your goal and are excited to continue your sugar-free lifestyle. You've learned that you don't need sugar to feel happy or satisfied and that there are plenty of delicious, healthy alternatives out there. You're also noticing that your relationship with food has improved. You're no longer relying on sugary treats to make you feel better and are instead finding joy in the process of preparing and enjoying wholesome meals. You're feeling more in control of your eating habits and are starting to appreciate the nourishing power of food. As your sugar-free month comes to an end, you're feeling grateful for the experience. You've learned so much about yourself and your relationship with food, and you're excited to continue making healthy choices in the future. You're feeling more confident, more energized, and more empowered than ever before. Congratulations on completing your sugar-free month.